Stop telling people with ADHD to just try harder. Here's what actually changed things for me. This is an affiliate video. Links below. Small commission if you buy. Doesn't cost you extra. A visual timer, not a phone timer. Watching time physically disappear works when a countdown number doesn't register the same way. A weighted lap pad for desk work. Sounds small. The constant light pressure cut my fidgeting in half within a week. A one-button fidget tool that doesn't make noise. Kept my hands busy without derailing focus like a phone would. All three linked below, under $20 each. Follow for more real tools, not generic advice.